Hey guys, welcome to my channel Silent Programmer, and today in this video I will show you how to integrate Flutter web with Rails server. So to do this we have to install Flutter SDK and Rails. So Flutter web is not in release mode, but you can use it in beta mode. So to get that, just type Flutter channel beta after installing Flutter. Now this will change your channel to beta and you have to type Flutter upgrade. Now it will upgrade your Flutter SDK to Flutter beta SDK, and then what we have to do is we have to enable Flutter config -enable web. This will enable web support for Flutter SDK. So now what we have to do is we will create a new project. Just say Flutter demo, and it will create a project for us. Now we will Flutter build web. Now what it will do is, okay, let's move to demo first. Now it will create a web export files for our Rails server. So our Flutter build have been completed. Now create a Rails project, Rails new and demo Rails. It will create a new demo project for us. Let's wait for it to complete and then we will proceed further. So our Rails project has been created. Now let's open this Rails folder and you will find app in basic Rails server. So let's move to Rails directory. Now what we have to do is we have to generate a controller. Rails generate controller, and the controller name will be homepage. Now it will create a homepage controller for us. Now it will create homepage controller here, views here, and in config we need to create a route for our page. So we will route homepage and index. Now we will create an index controller in homepage controller. So def index and end. Now this will create a index and path for this. Now what we have to do is go to demo project, build web, and copy this asset folder, asset and icon folder, assets. Now it will save all the assets here and copy this index.html to our homepage, main.dart.js to JavaScript and packs. Copy the JSON file also. Now let's try to run this. Let's see what happens. Now it's compiling. So you can see you have nothing on the screen. So this is because our view is not ERB type. And we need to modify this body to. Now again I will refresh, and we need to do some changes because now this is ERB, so we cannot use this tag to call ERB and JSON files. So to run JavaScript in ERB file, we need to paste this, and index is our JavaScript file which is exported from Flutter. Now what we have to do is we need to rename this index. Now it will refer to this file, and let's close the server and restart. Let's see what happens. And now you can see that we are on localhost 3000, as you can see here. And it's our Flutter application which is working here. You can see that plus sign is here, which is from assets, and everything is working fine. So this is the tutorial you are searching for many days, but yes, it will take time to understand this. And now if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, leave comment and thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.